You want to go with them so you take your picture?
Where's the dress?
Let me weird.
You like to shave.
Yeah, for sure. Great. Thank you.